How to hard reset Galaxy XCover 7. Step 1. To start, power off the Galaxy XCover 7 by using the power key plus volume down combination. Step 2. Connect the smartphone to the computer via a USB-C cable and then simultaneously hold down the power button plus the volume up key. Step 3. The recovery mode screen will appear after a moment.